Hi there, I'm Samir, and I love asking questions about the world around me. One day, I looked up at the sky and wondered, why is the sky blue? I asked my mom, but she wasn't sure. My teacher said it was complicated, so I decided to find out for myself. Then, I bumped into Miss Atmosphere, a bubbly character. That's when I met the Blue Brothers, the light waves that make the sky blue. I was confused at first, but then I had an idea. I imagined the sunlight as a bunch of colored balls bouncing through the air. The blue balls kept bouncing all around, while the others went straight through. That's why we see blue everywhere in the sky. Wow, so the sky is blue because blue light scatters more in the atmosphere. I learned that science can explain amazing things around us. Did you know that sunlight is actually made up of all the colors of the rainbow? When sunlight passes through a prism, it splits into different colors. And it's the atmosphere that helps scatter the blue light more than other colors. Now, whenever I look at the blue sky, I remember my exciting journey of discovery. And guess what? The sky isn't always blue. During sunrise and sunset, it can be orange, pink, or red. The sky changes colors because of how sunlight travels through the atmosphere at different times of day. Isn't it amazing how much beauty science can explain? What will you discover about the world around you?